If you don't know, morning routine videos are an insanely popular style of video in the YouTube makeup community. Today, we're just bringing a little lifestyle video to the RV space, giving you a little glimpse behind the scenes of what it's like on the Tim and Finn RV morning routine. Well, the first thing we do is wake up in the morning. I always laugh at these shots because it's like, did you have the camera rolling all night? Did you get out of bed, turn the camera on, and then pretend you were sleeping? Yes, here, the moment we woke up, I got out of bed, turned on the camera, and crawled back in. Pepper here doesn't typically sleep with us unless it's going to be decently cold at night. So in this case, our morning started with lots of puppy kisses. When she does sleep with us, she likes to crawl fully under the blankets and then peek her nose out as she lays her head on the pillow. I'm not joking. Tim, my knight in shining armor, the best doggy dad, he almost always is the last one to take her out at night because, it's scary in the dark, and the first one to let her out in the morning, allowing me to stay cozy inside. On a driving day, our mornings are pretty brief so that we can be quick to get on the road. We fell right into a routine, dividing up the tasks to optimize our time. Tim paired taking Pepper out, making sure she got plenty of exercise before a long day of driving, with unhooking the RV and prepping the outside. The main duties here, if we're at an RV park, are to unplug the RV, maybe unhook the sewer, or maybe hook up the sewer to dump the tanks, depending on maybe how long we've stayed at a specific location. He also then manages our water supply. If we have a long drive, we don't want a super full tank of water to drive with that weight. But if we're boondocking the next few nights, we need to make sure that we have the right amount of water that we'll need. While Tim's outside, I'm happy to be responsible for inside duties. Maximizing water availability, I'll fill up our water bottles and get those over into our driver and passenger stations ready to go. I also fill up 2 thermoses with our favorite hot beverages. We just prefer tea over coffee. Next, to prep the RV to be driven, there's always some tidying up to do as well as clearing all the countertops. We take, our toothbrushes and soap off the bathroom counter so it doesn't slide off and make a mess while we're driving, and take down the fruit bowl, the soap off the kitchen counter. And we usually have a few other surfaces to clear off. Maybe we'll have the Bluetooth speaker or a candle out from the night before. Eating a nice breakfast before we go on the road is part of our morning routine because then not every meal we're eating in a day is behind the wheel. Today's breakfast is pretty typical. This isn't one of those things where you make a fancy breakfast or a pretty breakfast the one day you're filming, but normally, eat a bag of Cheetos or something. The last 2 to-do list items are to bring the slide in from the RV. We save this until the very end because there's such a difference to our living space when the slide is in versus when it's out. And that's just a quick mention to anyone shopping for an RV. The slide does make all the difference in the world. Get a slide. The second the slide comes in, we're just bumping into each other. Excuse me, pardon me, we're stepping on Pepper. It's really frustrating to get anything done or to get from one side of the RV to the other. Once the slide is in, we can pull up the jacks. Our RV has manual jacks that slide down from the bottom and help you level out the rig right in your parking space. You don't even have to get out of the car. The slide can only go in and out if the rig is completely level. This is another feature we didn't realize was such a nice to have in the RV. Once we were on the road, we saw loads of RVers getting out of the rig in the rain and fumbling with these orange Lego-looking levelers, rolling back and forth to find a level solution. No. And then we're off. And at that point, we're typically turning on the camera to start vlogging, which you have seen before. We've got a night routine coming out next, so stay tuned for that. Or if it's already published, you'll see it linked right here. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time. Happy RVing!